It's that time, day number 8 of the 30-day Crypto.com challenge, and let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Look at this. Crypto.com continues to lead the industry in sports sponsorship. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. The price is down 7% of the day, but I see opportunity. And when I do a comparison here on Crypto.com, when you buy it on Coinbase Pro and Coinbase.com, there is a difference in terms of the fees. So if I did $25 worth on Coinbase.com and I preview this, it's going to cost me $1.49 in fees for 32 tokens of Crypto.com. But if I go to Coinbase Pro, the fees will cost me 13 cents. So there is a difference in this magnitude. So if I go ahead and get it on here, my fees will be much lower. So I get 34 total versus 32 total in terms of tokens. So Coinbase Pro, it is a cheaper platform to go ahead and do. So if I place my order, but let me go ahead and get this right now. We're going to get it on Coinbase Pro today. So let me put the numbers in here. So I'm just going to get $25 worth just for this example here today. Just $25. So $25.02 in matter of fact. So it's going to be 13 cents in fees. Go ahead. 13 cents in fees. And man, that's going to be really low. Look at that. 25. $24.90. Let's see if that change that a little bit. Gotta make that adjustment. Yeah, the fees is definitely lower. If you're looking for something lower, this is definitely a good option. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my order. But before I did that, what I did was I made a deposit to my USD. So I clicked on there and I did this. I made a deposit here and it went to my USD. That's how I did it. And then once I did that was I have money right here in my USD and I went to market and I placed the order just like that. Success. So it's done. So if I click on orders, I will see that in here as well in terms of my fulfilled order. See filled order right there. And there's my breakdown on this as well. So let me see here. 34, 32. Oh, this is the other one here. Let's see here. So here it is, 12 cents in fees. Not bad. Not bad at all. And here's, let me go ahead and change. Let me get this price here. I kind of like this. The fees are lower. Again, I'm just trying to grab this price. 72.66. So the fees are lower. So this is definitely an option for you if you want to buy on Coinbase Pro. This is an option, and I like them both. I think Coinbase.com is a little bit more user friendly in my opinion. That's just my opinion because look at the difference. That's Coin Market Cap, Coinbase Pro, and here is Coinbase.com. So it is a difference in terms of the look. This is a little bit more user friendly. Coinbase Pro, I think can be user friendly, but in terms of a new investor, I do think that it definitely has this a little bit better in terms of that. So that's the price I did. I did another price earlier for some testing. So I did one earlier today. So I probably should add this in here as well. So I did a $50 one earlier. See that here? Look at that. So let me add that in there, but I'll add that in there a little bit later. But let me go ahead and change this to 8 and change this to 828 here. And 30-day challenge average price, and today's price is different. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this as well. Boom, look at this. And average buying price is 78 cents. Today's price is 73 cents today. I only spend $24.49. You know what? Let me go and add this in here because I did do 73.02. So 73. I'm gonna add that in there as well because I bought another one earlier. So just to kind of see, and my fees was only 24 74 cents. It looks like it. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in there as well. And amount paid. 7302. $50 and let's see. Yeah, this is actually a pretty good option, guys, to me. Oops, let me go make that change because it was $50. Oops. And I think we got 68. How many did we get? 68 filled. So 68 here. So let me change that to the 28th. So what I'll do is I'll combine both these together. So I'll combine both these fees together here. So I will go ahead and do that. And the next, let me see if I can do this now real quick. I'll combine both these two together. So this is going to be, these 2 dates are going to be together, and I'll add that in there. So just be one actually date here. So we have a total of 1746 Crypto.com amount, and we're down on our profit margin. So try Crypto.com or Coinbase Pro, Coinbase Pro, or you can try the Coinbase.com. I like them both. It works very, very well. Take your time, click on the link below to get access to both of them as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. So I'm gonna add both of these, and it'll just be one line here for tomorrow's buying challenge. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take this slow, click on the link below. Check out Coinbase Pro. I was recommended to try this a little bit more. I do like it. And I'll see you on the next video.